welcome to another tutorial within the EA Global AI platform. Today we're going to be talking about Scratchpad commands. Commands were released as a functionality on the 2nd of March 2026, and it's a way to prompt Scratchpad to do something without having to write out the command every single time. So, whilst I'm in this demo workspace, I'm going to click on the Scratchpad chat box and press /. What you'll see is that I've got three different workspace commands, and I'm going to go for the simple RFP applicability checker. Once I press enter, what will happen is the AI will go away and it will ask me to provide that document that I want to use. So if I click on the paperclip in the bottom left hand corner and then select the file and press enter, I'm providing the AI with a list of questions that it can now look over and assess against my knowledge base, and it comes back with the relevance and the strength. If we want a more detailed look at commands, we can go to Settings, Workspace Settings, click on the three dots and click Edit. If we scroll down, what we'll see is here is our simple RFP applicability checker, where you give it a name, a quick description of what it does, and we can select an icon. Let's say I select this one. What you'll see below that is the instructions that are provided to the agent whenever you use this command. So this is just a simple one that says act as a bid analyst, provide the relevance and the answer strength, and then other conditions. What you'll also be able to do is add placeholders. So here's the placeholder demo command I have. And what I want the AI to do with this command is assess my knowledge base to provide an overview of a functionality in a year. So I'm just going to quickly click update as I change the icon and head back to Scratchpad and use that placeholder demo. So the functionality I want is digital offerings. When you have two placeholders, it is imperative that after you enter the first placeholder, you press space and then enter to say that you've finished using that placeholder, and then the year, 2025. Once you press enter, the AI will go away and it will fill in the gaps that it had in the command with what you've entered here, so digital offering in 2025. And here we go. We can now see what the digital offering of Temenos Core Banking Solutions was in 2025. If you have any issues or you get stuck, please do use the Get Help in the bottom left hand corner, and we're more than happy to help. Thank you very much.